Do you sometimes wake up in the morning just not feeling that great? No energy to start the day when even the most minor task seems to be complicated. You wonder how you will actually deliver on this day of work ahead. If you could only skip this day. Maybe this comes out of the blue, or maybe you had just a little party yesterday. It's annoying because you had so many plans. Ideas to improve a new workout routine, a blog, a YouTube channel. You want to read that book on product management. And not only this, but you also have to do the actual day with meetings ahead, sports, meditate. Whenever I get in this situation, I have several techniques to get myself back in a good mood. Today, I will discuss one practice, resetting your life. Before going any further, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Resetting my life starts from my bed. I'll take my phone and fill in my gratitude journal. There's nothing better to change your life's perspective. After, I'll start looking around the room and figuring out the most minuscule task I can do to reset my life. My only goal from here on is to just get out of bed and start to bring some order in my life. Don't think about priorities or importance, do things in no particular order, and just be action biased. I'll make up my bed and look around for clothes that can be folded. I'll put my shoes in line and throw out the old towels, and I'll attack the dirty dishes. I will check for an update on Windows while setting up my cold turkey website blocker. Of course, before I check some YouTube quickly. I will archive my mails, doing some random to-dos, removing some other random to-dos, put my books in a pile, drink a glass of water or a bottle, and take a long shower while shaving my beard. This process typically only takes 30 minutes to 1 hour. You'd be surprised how much you can get done. And the most wonderful part of it all, you'd be surprised how much peace of mind it will give you. Now you gave yourself a little bit of momentum and strengthened your foundations. You have given yourself another chance at this day. Now everything feels a little bit lighter. But Fred, what if I have an urgent meeting in the morning? I can just take time out of my day to chill around, start cleaning up my place. Yeah, I understand that we have all very full and busy lives. Maybe you can create some time after that crucial meeting? Because in the end, to make your best life, you will have to decide where you will be spending your time. And this is where I will be spending my time on the bad days. In the last 3-to-1 newsletter of James Clear, he mentioned the following piece. Finish every day and be done with it, for manners and for wise living. It's advice to remember. You have done what you could. Some blunders and absurdities, no doubt crept in. Forget them as soon as you can. Tomorrow is a new day. You shall begin it well and serenely, with too high a spirit to be cumbered by your old nonsense. This day, for all that is good and fair, it is too dear, with its hopes and invitations, to waste a moment on the rotten yesterdays. You could stay in bed or drag yourself to your desk. However, is that the life you want to create for yourself? Because days becomes weeks, and those turn into years. Resetting your life doesn't mean to stop everything in its tracks or to oppositely put a crazy new cleanup routine in place. It's about showing up, creating a little bit of order around you, which will make it easier for you to do your day. So next time you wake up and you don't feel like doing the day, take a moment and put your life in order in the slightest way possible. Give yourself some peace of mind, a foundation, which will make you ready to tackle the world. If you don't do it, you might end up with a heavy day. And who wants that? Keep life simple. Listen to yourself and give yourself a break. And as always, have an amazing day. If you haven't liked the video or subscribed to my channel yet, you can do it now. Otherwise, you can watch some of my other content by clicking on the following video.